JC Motors with motorcycle brake rotors from EBC. At JC Motors, you can shop with confidence, knowing that we offer no hassle returns, life returns, and even a damage replacement offer. Go to jcmotors.com for all the details, and you'll find out why over 280,000 motorcycle enthusiasts like yourself get their parts and gear from us. Today, we've got Gary Gallagher from EBC Brakes USA to tell us about these motorcycle rotors.
Again, I'm Gary Gallagher, the EBC Brakes and Tech representative for the U.S. and North America. We're going to talk currently about our new X and XC rotors for modern street and sport bikes. You can see these two rotors here are the basic same 6-button square drive floating system that EBC has patented. A floating rotor means that the outer ring can expand and contract as it heats and cools during the braking cycle. So with EBC, we have a new patented square drive system, which basically gives you a flat side on each side of the 6 float buttons for the load carrying capacity, but a rounded top and bottom for the floating areas. And again, as these rotors heat and cool, they expand and contract, and therefore, being floating, they will not distort, and they'll last much longer than a solid riveted rotor or a solid single rotor. We also have die-cast aluminum centers, and the outer rings are stainless steel. The X Series is a round outer edge profile, and the Contour is our wave-style rotors, and again available in this format for most modern sport and street bikes.
JC Motors welcomes all your questions. You can call us at 800-706-9476 or go to jcmotors.com, get live support, and you'll find out why JC Motors is where riders get deals.